Mbulavinaka Fiji, welcome to your favorite night of television and to your #1 show. This is Jejemon. I trust all is well with you and you have been enjoying our Fiji Day celebrations around the country. Mbulavinaka to you if you come from the province of Naitasiri. Thank you for joining me and I hope you enjoy the show. So we are 17 days away from the Festival of Lights. Diwali 2019 falls on the 27th of this month, and like you, I'm looking forward to dressing up in my finest kurta, feasting on the sweets and spending quality time with friends. Now, if you are still undecided about wardrobe for this very special occasion, I took the liberty to visit some of my favorite retailers here in the capital and my hometown Nausuri to scout what was in stores ahead of Diwali. Take a look. Tell our viewers on Jejemon and FBC TV like what sort of stock they can expect to see at Memsa for Diwali.
Well, Diwali is full of colors and depends on the individual taste whether they want bright colors or pastel colors. Both are in fashion at the moment, and various fabrics are in this season, which is netting, silk, jacquards and all those. It's better to come and see and have a look what's available. We have lots of range, and that's for sure you'll like something here.
So tell us about the menswear for Diwali.
Menswear is, everyone knows that Memsab has a very unique collection for men's, and every year we try to get something different. This year's collection will be something very different. They have to come and see, try it out and have a feel of it.
My name is James. I am the retail manager at Jejemon.
Namaste, I'm Rukshana Chandra, Sales Retail Manager, Tapu Group of Companies, Western Region.
Tula Namaste, I'm Aarti, Sales Retail Manager, Akasi Branch, Tapu Limited.
We've got the latest Sarara suit, Uplam suit, unstitched cholis. We've got a nice range of netting sarees, pure silk sarees, nylon silk, which is in fashion at the moment, and kids wear. We have kids choli suit, kids salwar kameez, and sherwanis for small boys as well.
Here at Tapu Group of Companies, we ensure that we bring in the latest fashion trend for our customers in Fiji. And for the season Diwali 2019, we have traditional and trendy both.
In menswear we have party shirts, casual sherwanis, some heavy sherwanis, Indo-Western sherwanis as well.
For now, Andy, we have like all these new range that has come in. Our exclusive range for the men's, like men's sherwani, we have shirts, kurta, pajama. Like kurta, you can go with the jeans, like and then it comes in a set as well with scarves and all.
Females current fashion trend is straight kameez with silk dupatta. We've got a wide range of straight kameez with silk dupatta, and nylon silk sarees, which are in fashion, and Paklam. There's a high-end gown, is still in fashion at the moment.
And for ladies, I would say we have a wide range in sarees, like silk sarees, georgette. There is varieties of sarees in different fabrics, and plus we have kurtis, salwar kameez. Kurtis, it comes in like flare kurtis, straight. It goes with leggings. It comes with patiala pins. It's not a set, but you can always mix and match.
In accessories, we have matching costume jewelries. We have some rangoli designs which came in there. Earrings, necklace, bangles, matching clutches, shoes.
Accessories, well, we have ranges for ladies, earrings. We have bangles, matching bangles if you need for it, and sorry you're picking with us. We have necklace set, earrings.
We do have like necklace sets, meaning sometimes it's a 3-piece set, it's a 4-piece set, some are hand accessories and some head accessories, hair pieces, and to complement a lady's attire, We do have some clutch purse, and we also have bangles, a wide variety of bangles. And to complete, we also have shoes from Novo that completes the full set for any women.
Mostly worn are saris and salwar kameez, but I believe that this year the trend is little bit changed. People are more going for choli suits, which is more of a silk choli suit, not heavily done, simple but elegantly done.
Over the years, the trend has been for women is sari and lehenga cholis, and for kids we have girls lehengas, and men we have pajamas and kurta and dhoti also. But trends are changing, so it's getting traditional and trendy both.
Arti, do you want to add anything to how you think the trend might have been over the years?
Like Rukshana has said, like trend keeps changing. So basically, last year, if you would have seen, like people were more into salwar kameez, but this year, if you see, there are like lots of silk sarees in fashion. Ladies, they go for silk sarees, and we have a lot of range for that, very nice range in silk.
Yes, color trend, pastel colors are in fashion at the moment, both in India and as well as in Fiji.
Actually, the color trend is pastel colors, but as I've said earlier, trends keep changing. And at the moment, like in the store, it's we've got a beautiful range of silk sarees. So these are with quite brighter color combinations, and which would suit Diwali the best.
Diwali garments, I believe it should be purchased in advance, like 1 month, because if they are buying a sari, then they have to get their blouse sewn. So I think after Pitarpat, there is Marathon, so there is another function of 9 days. So people start in the Diwali shopping in Marathon, so 9 days, and then the advance plan it so that their attire is sewn and outfit is sewn for Diwali, and they are a bit planned for Diwali.
I think this is the best time, I would say, because like for ladies, when we want to get our sari, then we need to get our blouse done and then to find the tailor. And we also have our tailor in Tapu City, our own tailor, that he can help assist all our customers if they need. And well, all ladies, they are like, very happy to get compliments, right? And saffron soul is a compliment itself to all ladies, I would say.
Rukshana, do you think that advice that Arti gave would apply to men when they are buying their outfits for Diwali? Should they get it now, or is it something that they can purchase like last minute?
Absolutely, they can buy it now because we brought in the new arrivals, so this is perfect time to get the right sizes, right choice of colors. So for men, they could do that. But having said that, I know sometimes men prefer the last minute thing, so it's always, either now or whichever is convenient.
I would suggest that you always try it on, try the attire, and because after trying, then you will be able to know how it looks on you, the color and the workmanship, and obviously the price.
Looking at the weather right now, it's getting quite hot. So I would say, like Diwali, we always have Diwali mufti at work and stuff. So I would say cotton kurtis, cotton salwar kameez is the best to wear during the daytime. Even silk sarees, like lighter ones. And then for evening, well, ladies have their own choice. If they want to look excellent, so they have their own choice to buy from.
At office, at workplaces, there will be Diwali muftis. So some offices do 2 to 3 days. So, and there's competitions, so you could do 2, 3 for the day, and evening it's always a must, especially for the Indian women out there. They do the religious prayers, so they need a sari or a lehenga choli. So it's not necessary just to buy 2,
Hi, I'm James. I'm keeping Cheche at Jejemon.
Hi, I'm Rukshana, keeping it Cheche on Jejemon.
Hi, I'm Artinat, and I'm keeping it Cheche on Jejemon.
colorful outfits and accessories for you to choose from if you are still undecided about your Diwali wardrobes. Our countdown to the Festival of Lights, Diwali, that falls on Sunday, October 27th. Exciting stuff. I trust you got a few ideas and inspirations and will avoid any last-minute shopping. Time for a short break, but before we do so, take a look at this image. This image of the famous dress was the reason for the creation of Google Images, worn by Jennifer Lopez and designed by Versace. The dress is created again for the Versace show in Milan. Find out more next.